called checklists, you will have options that you originally didn't have on the Google Play Store. So here's what's new. You will have the option of purchasing any application like before, but this time you will have the option of pressing the refund button and it will refund your purchase, but the application will not be uninstalled, so you can still use it even though you didn't pay for it. Let's say the purchase application has a license verification to check if you actually purchased it. Well, this mod will allow you to still use the application even if you didn't purchase it, and even if it has a license verification, it will not work. Even if your data or Wi-Fi is disabled, the license verification will succeed either way. In other words, this mod makes license verifications useless. So that's pretty much it. The interface is the same, applications are the same, and anything else that you will have on the original Google Play Store will still be there. So here's how to install this mod. First off, you will need root, and I highly recommend making an Android backup of your device so you don't lose anything in the process, just in case. Next, I also recommend backing up your original Google Play Store application using Titanium Backup or any other backup application, just in case you want to go back to the original non-modded Google Play Store. Next, what you're going to need to do is you also need to install an APK called Lucky Patcher. I'll have a link in the description to the latest one, but either way, if you're watching this video a month from now, the application will update itself once you open it up. I will also need you to download, not install, but download the Google Play Store modded APK. Currently, the latest version for me is 5.8.8, so if you see a version that is a little more updated, choose that one instead. That is if you're watching this video a few weeks or months from now. And one last thing, if you're on Lollipop, or you could do this on any device, but you will need to make sure you have Expose Installer on your device. I'll have a link in the description to an XDA forum where you can download and enable it. Now here comes the interesting part. Open Lucky Patcher. You need to grant it root access. Once you see all your applications loaded, tap on the tab Toolbox, and from there tap on Patch to Android. Next, tap on Signature Verification Status Always True, which should be the first option, and then you need to hit Apply. Your device will start to download the patch and it will reboot automatically. Once you boot up, you can go back into Lucky Patcher. Then you have to select Toolbox once again, Patch to Android, and check to see if the patch is applied. From there, I would like you to go to Expose Installer, the application, and you need to enable the module Lucky Patcher and reboot your device once again. Once you boot up, again, use a file manager to install the Google Play Store modded APK, and that's pretty much it, and you will have the modded Google Play Store running on your Android device. If it didn't end up installing for whatever reason, then just open up Lucky Patcher, tap Toolbox again, then tap on Install Modded Google Play Store, and from here you will see a list of modded Google Play Store versions along with the original Google Play Store options. So now I need you to select the latest modded Google Play Store and hit install, and your device will reboot. The reason I didn't show you guys this method in the first place is because this method gives you an older version of the Google Play Store, because Lucky Patcher hasn't updated the modded Google Play Store from within the application as of right now. That's why I highly recommend trying out my first method from the beginning of the video. Also, the modded Google Play Store will not auto update itself, so you will need to come back and check the link I have left in the description every so often to see if there is an update for the modded Google Play Store. But thank you guys for watching.